Hi guys, really great to be here again today. I'm Rodney. I'm from the Chinese Factory Tour. Today we're in Ningbo, Zhenjiang, China. We're going to visit a factory that makes adjustable desks. So the tour today we'll see how they design them and manufacture them here. So let's go check it out. I think it's going to be a great time today. Come on. Yeah, I'm really excited to see this place. I'm Rodney. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, I'm Sky. I will show you around our factory today.
Great, let's go check it out.
This is our sample room.
Whoa, man, I don't know if I want to work today after sitting on this thing.
And now
Great.
you can press button up and have a try. And
So
see
it's-
what will happen.
Boy, this thing is quiet. I can't hear anything.
Yes, it's smooth and quiet. You can lift it to any height you like to suit your working
Great, I can
posture.
put it at my position. I think my colleagues in the US might have to have a little bit higher, if you know what I mean. We'll try the standing position. Yeah.
Plus, you can stand up and have a try.
I think we should have like a panic button in case the boss comes. I can hit it and it will raise up and it makes it look like I'm working. Great, this is great. So what can we go see next?
I'm going to show you the factory.
Okay,
Let's go.
Let's go check it out. Yeah, here on the right we can see there's a Farley Laser Lab. This is where they're taking the raw material and cutting into sections. So let's go check out this precision tool.
This is our most important facilities. We all have 3 cutting machines here. These are all pipe cutting machines. Now let me introduce you our laser plate cutting machine.
Okay, let's check it out. Wow, man, that thing is precisely cutting the metal there.
Yes, they are cutting them into different shapes so that they can send it, deliver them to the next working process.
So I think he has patterns on here, and the laser cuts it to a pattern.
Yes, they can see the status of the cutting.
That's cool, man, but it's actually hot.
That's really hot.
Okay, what's next? Let's go check it out. What is it?
Follow me.
Okay. Oh, what do we have here? Laser robots or what?
Laser robot cutting machine. It's a welding machine. These robot machines are all imported from Japan, and they can control the high quality of welding and take less time than workers.
Okay, let's go check something else out.
Come in.
Oh, thank you very much.
This is our sample making room.
Okay, so this is where the concept goes into the R&D department, and then they finally assemble into an actual functioning model, and then it's put together and tested before production, total production run. Is that correct?
That's correct. And here, we're doing a test to test its stability when it's lifted up and down.
Okay, so
You check that.
yeah, I can see that. Oh, it's going to give me a high five, yeah?
We also have testing lab. Let's do some more testing.
Okay, let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Jesus.
Oh, okay, this is dropping test machine. It's used to test the reliability of the product package.
I think I just dropped something myself. Yeah, we just had a great day today walking around, checking out how they actually make adjustable tables. So I'm Rodney. I can't wait to see you the next time on our show. So see you later. Goodbye.